Oggi facciamo lezione di make-up coreano, quindi siamo pronti a imparare tutti i segreti del make-up coreano. Ti rendi conto di essere in Corea quando ci sono 5 sezioni qua, sono solo e esclusivamente di maschere per il viso e ci sono per tutta la faccia, non so, già avrò visto tipo tra le 3 e le 4.000 maschere diverse.
Pore cover makeup, this is zero steps. This is skin, essence, and cream, and sunscreen. And then beside your nose, and here, this is pore spot. You should use base, makeup base.
Okay.
This is 3C. This is a Korean trend. Is they want to know their own color.
Okay.
It matches hair and clothes and makeup. Then face in and out, not here. Foundation.
Okay.
Place neck, yes. And then here, your face line and neckline. No difference is your foundation color. Okay. The face in and out. You should use brush and
the
sponge. Sponge is thick and big is good. Shape is a little bit angle. Your eyebrows.
Yeah.
So this is here with measured pencils and dot. And then your eye shape and a little bit angle here, dot. And then fill in your eyebrows color with using screw brush. Korean style is same hair color.
Oh, okay.
But now is
yeah, it's possible to make them pink. I colori delle sopracciglia dovrebbero essere come i capelli, però certo non mi può fare le sopracciglia rosa, quindi.
This is the eye primer. This is very important before eye makeup. Waterproof.
Okay.
Base. Okay. This is until eye hole. Spread out, and then blending brush, not lining, deep brown color, just only at the end over your eyes. Just blending at the here, brown color, it's more deep. This is a little bit shiny pearl with using fingers.
Okay.
So only middle and spread out. middle. This is bureau. This is 1, 2, 3, but different angles. This is good Korea item. Make mascara fixer. After 3 seconds, you should use the mascara. Pink concealer, pink liquid concealer. In K-beauty, this is here, this line, not under the touch.
Okay.
Because looks older. This is magenta, pink. This is Korea beauty trend, gradation. 2 types, but strong color inside. This is TRUCCO. Okay, but different face with method.
Okay.
Controlling method.
Okay.
But this is first of all under the chin line. And V shape. There are 1, 2 color mix. So you can see just only
On the nose.
high upper your eyes, and then V shape. V, so like slim your nose.
Okay.
V. Mix, and then your forehead more wider, and then your nose, but just only top of your nose. And then no wrinkle like this, like a cat mustache. Looks with filling your wrinkle.
Okay.
And top of your cheek, cold C-zone. After last step, powder pack. To fix your base makeup.
Sento molto più giovane. Feel like really younger.
Point is natural and fresh and looking younger.
You need to go to a beauty technician to know your own color because you cannot know by yourself.
I studied.
They go to you and they ask you.
Yeah.
Ok,
Yeah.
I see. Quindi dovete andare in uno studio di make-up per scoprire quali sono i vostri colori. I'm sorry. But I have the lipstick.
Yeah.